Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create really cool but simple parallax effects like this one using Canva. So this is actually just one picture and I was able to modify the picture, isolate the subject from the photo and then make the background and the subject moving in a way that it will create a really nice parallax effect. So this is one example and I'm going to show you how you can create one. Let me close everything and I'm going to add another page. So for this one, I'm going to use a picture of a person with the mountain as the background. You could use any picture. I guess I'm going to use something different for this one, something that I haven't tried before. So let's see what are the options that we have. Okay, I guess I'm going to pick let me see. I want to see the one that I think look cool. The background should look great and also the subject, which is the person, should look obvious as well. Well, I guess I'm going to use this. Oh, sorry, I guess this picture. I'm going to use this picture and let's make it bigger. And there you go. Now I'm going to create a different parallax effect. It is similar to this one, but the direction is going to be slightly different. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to isolate the subject from the photo. The subject is this person standing. And also I do recommend to isolate the ground or the rock that this person is standing on. So in order to do that, you have to click on the image and click edit and select magic grab. This is the feature that we want to use. Go to the brush section and you want to select the person and this rock. So let's do it. You don't have to be perfect because we are using AI, so the AI will clear all the imperfections that we made. After that, you can click grab and it will try to isolate this subject and also the rock, and eventually we should be able to use this object independently from the rest of the photo. So this usually will take only a few seconds. Yep, as you can see, the background is now empty. There is no rock anymore and we can move this person around. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is you have to create an animation effect. So in order to do that, you have to click on the subject, which is this person, and let's go to animate and you want to select drift. This is the animation that we want to use, and this person will come from the bottom to the top. I'm going to reduce the speed of the animation and let's do the same for the background. Oh, by the way, I think it is important to make this person a bit to the lower because eventually it will animate and it will go upward. So at the beginning, you want to set it to be at the lowest point. And after that, you want to click on the background, go to animate again, and you want to select drift as well. But the direction is from top to bottom. So let's reduce the intensity and I'm going to adjust the position of the image slightly so it's going to look nice when you animate the whole thing. If you want to preview, you can go to this section that says thumbnail view and then click duration, and there will be this display button that you could use to play or preview the whole parallax effect. Click on it and this is the result. Maybe it's not perfect, so I guess I'm going to modify the position again. And there you go. Okay, maybe here. Oops, I guess I have to move slightly to the bottom. Yeah, this is probably the most difficult part because you have to make sure you are choosing the correct position for each image. But in the end, the result is going to be really great. So yeah, that's one example, and let's see the previous animation. This is the first example that I have shown you before, and this is the same effect, but the direction is different. So anyway, that's basically how you can create a simple parallax effects in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.